Hi, my name is Lindsay Krause, and this is my portfolio for my graduate program at University of New England. This is the home page of my portfolio, where you will land when you input the URL for my portfolio. You can scroll down and see my introduction and an introduction to the National Board for Professional Teaching Standards propositions that I will be displaying in my portfolio. At the bottom of the page, there's a Next Page button, but then also up here, I embedded a Table of Contents button, and then at the top, there are tabs where you can reach each page. So you can choose what way you would like to navigate through the site. I'm going to start by clicking on the Table of Contents tab. The Table of Contents shows all of the pages again in order. We have the home page, Table of Contents, my resume, my mission and philosophy, and then the NBPTS propositions. The first one is Proposition 1, Proposition 2, Proposition 3, Proposition 4, Proposition 5, and then my reflection at the end. This time I'm going to hit Next Page at the bottom, and it brings you to my resume page, where my resume is embedded. You can scroll down to see the whole document. I'm going to hit Next Page again. This brings you to my mission statement and my educational philosophy. Next page. This brings you to the first proposition for the National Board of Professional Teaching Standards. It lists my artifact, the rationale, the reflection, and then you can actually see the artifact at the bottom. You can scroll through the whole document, or you can scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit Next Page. This brings you to Proposition 2. You can see my artifact, my rationale, my reflection, and then the document. This time I'm going to go back up to the tabs and find Proposition 3. My artifact, my rationale, my reflection, and the document. I go back up to the tabs, even though there is a Next Page button, but I'm going to go back up to the tabs, find Proposition 4, artifact, rationale, reflection, the document. This time I'm going to switch it up and hit Next Page. Proposition 5. Artifact, rationale, reflection. This one, my artifact is a button to a different website that I made, and then I have a second artifact, rationale, reflection, and then the documents. And then I hit Next Page, and it brings you to my reflection. At the bottom of my reflection page, there is a home button, so this will bring you back home. So I thought maybe a short tour would help everyone be able to navigate my portfolio. I hope that the information is useful and it shows what I have learned at the University of New England.